Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today I am showing you how you can create a bootable pen drive for Windows 10. Okay, so how you can create a bootable pen drive for Windows 10, how you can do that. So first of all, open the Chrome browser or any browser you want. Okay, and search here Windows 10 media creation tool. When you search the Windows 10 media creation tool, the first link will appear here. Okay, so click on the first link and slide down a little bit, and now you can see create Windows 10 media creation, create Windows 10 installation media. Okay, so this one you have to download this tool. Click on download. When you download, I have already downloaded this. Okay, just click on download. You can see it will ask me, but I have already downloaded, so I'll click cancel. Okay, so I'll show you where I have downloaded. Okay, so this is my media creation tool. Okay, double click on it and it will run. It will ask you for permission, say yes. Okay, it's running, and wait for some moment. And also, if you do not have connected your pen drive, just connect your pen drive. I have already connected my pen drive. You can see here, this is my pen drive. Okay, D drive 64 GB pen drive. Okay, so that's it. And you can see the setup. Just accept the all terms and policies and wait. Okay, so you can see here we have two options. So select the second option, create installation media. Okay, and click next. I don't want to upgrade, and it asks me for the language, edition and architecture. I don't want to change anything. Okay, if you want to change, you can uncheck it and select other state or language. Okay, I just check it by default. Okay, and click next. Okay, now you can see we have to create our bootable pen drive. So we select USB file drive. Okay, USB flash drive. So you can select the USB flash drive, and if you want to save your ISO, you can save it the ISO file. Okay, so we will select USB and click next. Select the USB. Okay, and click next. And okay, so it's finished, and you can see. Okay, so your bootable pen drive has been complete. Set up to cleaning and before it's closed. So that's it. And now I can show you. Let me show you. You can see the pen drive has become bootable. Okay, so that's it. That's it for today. And if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and follow me for more and social media platform. So bye.